Surya was a young man who worked at a local grocery store in a big city. He worked hard every day to earn a living, but he was tired of feeling like he was working hard and still not getting anywhere. He wanted to learn how to make his money work for him so he could have more freedom and flexibility in his life. One day, Surya met a wealthy man named Karim Sahab. He was drawn to Karim Sahab's confidence and success, and he asked him the secret to his wealth. Karim Sahab smiled and said, "It's simple, my boy. You just need to understand how money works." So Karim Sahab sat down with Surya and started to explain the basics of finance and investing. He taught Surya that there are two types of income: active income and passive income. Active income is the money you earn from working a job, and passive income is the money you earn from investments or other sources that do not require active participation. Karim Sahab explained that the key to building wealth is to create multiple streams of passive income. "But I don't have any money to invest," Surya said. "I can barely afford to pay my bills each month." "That's no excuse, my boy," Karim Sahab replied. "You may not have a lot of money right now, but you do have something even more valuable, and that's your time. You can use your time to earn money now, and then you can use that money to create passive income later. It all starts with saving money." Karim Sahab taught Surya how to create a budget and track his expenses. He showed him how to cut back on unnecessary spending and save a portion of his income each month. "You don't need to be rich to start investing," Karim Sahab said. "You just need to be smart about how you use your money." Surya took Karim Sahib's advice and started tracking his expenses. He realized that he was spending more money than he needed to on things like eating out and entertainment. He started cutting back on these expenses and saving the difference. It wasn't easy, but Surya was determined to build wealth and he was willing to make sacrifices to get there. After a few months of saving, Surya had built up a small nest egg of $500. He went back to Karim Sahab and asked him what he should do with it. "That's a great start, my boy," Karim Sahab said. "Now it's time to invest that money and make it work for you." Karim Sahab taught Surya about different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. He explained the risks and potential returns of each type of investment and helped Surya develop a diversified portfolio. "Diversification is key to reducing risk and maximizing returns," Karim Sahab said. "Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes and industries." Surya decided to invest his $500 in a mix of stocks and real estate. He purchased shares in a few companies that he believed in and also invested in a rental property. It wasn't a lot of money, but Surya was excited to see his investment grow over time. As Surya's investments began to grow, he became more confident in his ability to manage his finances. He continued to save and invest, and over time, his net worth began to increase. Surya was grateful for the guidance that Karim Sahab had provided him. He had gone from feeling overwhelmed and lost to having a clear plan for building wealth. One day, Surya was talking to a friend about his investments when his friend expressed skepticism. "Investing is risky," his friend said. "What if you lose all your money?" "That's a valid concern," Surya replied. "But I've taken steps to mitigate risk. I've diversified my portfolio and I'm only investing money that I can afford to lose. Plus, I've learned a lot about investing, and I'm confident in my ability to make smart decisions." Surya's friend shook his head and said, "I'll stick to what I know. Investing is just too risky for me." Surya respected his friend's decision, but he knew that he couldn't let fear hold him back. He had come too far to give up now. Surya continued to invest and save, and over time, his wealth grew. He was able to buy a new car, a house, and provide for his family. But most importantly, he had financial freedom. He no longer had to worry about money, and he was able to pursue his passions and interests without financial constraints. As Surya's wealth grew, he became more involved in philanthropy. He started a foundation to help underprivileged children get access to education. He also donated money to charities that supported causes he believed in. Surya knew that true wealth was not just about having money, it was also about using his fortune to make a positive impact on the world. Surya's story is an example of the power of financial education and discipline. By taking control of his finances and investing wisely, he was able to transform his life and make a positive impact on the world. If you want to achieve financial freedom and make your money work for you, follow in Surya's footsteps and start investing today. Here are some steps you can take to get started. 1. Educate yourself about personal finance and investing. There are many resources available to help you learn the basics of finance and investing. Read books, attend seminars, or take online courses. It's important to understand the fundamentals before you start investing. 2. Create a budget and save money. Before you can start investing, you need to have money to invest. Create a budget to track your income and expenses, and then save a portion of your income each month. Even if you can only save a small amount, it's important to start somewhere. 3. Start small and diversify. When you're first starting out, it's important to start small and diversify your investments. This means spreading your money across different asset classes and industries to reduce risk and maximize returns. Consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. 4. Be patient and persistent. Building wealth takes time and patience. Don't expect to get rich quick, and don't be discouraged if you experience setbacks along the way. Just keep saving and investing consistently, and eventually you will reach your goals. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. By following these steps and learning from the example of Surya, you can start investing today and secure your financial future. Remember that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start small, be consistent, and stay focused on your financial goals. With dedication and discipline, you can achieve anything. In conclusion, Surya's story illustrates the transformative power of financial education and discipline. Through his journey, we learn that financial freedom is achievable for anyone who is willing to put in the effort and make sacrifices to achieve their goals. By educating ourselves about personal finance and investing, creating a budget and saving money, starting small and diversifying, and being patient and persistent, we can pave our own path to financial success. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you have enjoyed Surya's story and that it has inspired you to take control of your own finances and start investing today. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. We would love to hear from you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We would really appreciate it. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.